Hey everybody, this is Larry with another Edge update. It's been a couple weeks since we've done our last one, and we've since released our HX Series 2 machines. All of our latest machines have been shipped out. All of our current orders are shipped out. We're in the process of building up an inventory now, but along with that is refining our processes. And as you can see over here to the left of me, we're going through all of our inventory and organizing it so there's no more hunting and searching. Many of these components here are from our sister shop, which is CEI Tech, and CEI Tech is a product development design company. So what we've done is we've begun separating the two companies between Leading Edge and CEI Tech. So right here you see everything all kind of thrown in together, and we've had to traditionally come in when we need a part, we've had to search for it. Well, we want to eliminate that as much as possible. So what we've done is we've separated the two sides of our inventory system, as this side will be the Leading Edge and the other side's going to be the CEI Tech side. We'll still leave that for the machining side. So the first part of it was to get everything organized and laid out. Now we're going through our entire bill of materials, and we'll only be putting in this area what we need to build the machines. That'll make things go a whole lot faster. Many of the things that we're working on doing now is we've got 4 aisles here, and 4 racks here, and the point is that we're going to have here in the first rack we'll have basically components that don't go into it, those components would go into an assembly. The next aisle over would be machine components and sub-assemblies. The aisle next to that would be electronics, and then the following aisle on that's going to initially start off as being miscellaneous things like that. But now we should be able to come up, and anytime we need to grab a specific part, we'll know exactly where it's at by aisle number, by bin number, by box number, and then there's no more hunting and searching. So one of the biggest wastes of time when you're running a machine shop is, one, looking for tools that you were just using and didn't put back, or somebody else borrowed and didn't put back, and 2 is looking through, you can see there's quite a bit of inventory here. So that's a huge time waster to have to come in here and dig through boxes to try to figure out what you're doing. Much of this was we wanted to implement at our old shop, but we just didn't have the room for it. Now that we're officially moved into this place, we're starting to maximize every square inch of space we've got. And as our sales are coming up, we're finding that we're running out of room very fast. So we've got to maximize every square inch and make it count for everything that we're doing. On the other side, so downstairs, we're prepping material for the next batch of machines, as well as we're trying to simplify all the machining operations. We're trying to get it so that, number one, anybody in the shop can run it. So whoever's running that day can run the materials, or whoever's got free time can run materials. The next thing is to palletize everything. It makes we can maximize the machine space as well as the tooling that we're using, and try to get as many parts on and off the machine in as short a time as possible. It allows us to do a very fast turnaround for our distributors as well as our direct clients. Speaking of direct clients, we've had a lot of calls lately from people seeing us in the magazines, and I want to thank everybody for, 1, for calling us, and 2, for recognizing us in the magazines. That was something that's been a long time coming, and with the release of our HX Series 2 machines, it was due time to get in there. We've getting a very good response from that. Aside from getting all the machine stuff done and all of the inventory stuff done, we're working on IMTS this year. So if you don't know, IMTS is held every 2 years. It's held on the even year of the calendar, and it's going to happen this year in the middle of September, right around the 15th of September. I think we have the dates on our website, so go ahead and check out our website. But we're going to be there in the Student Summit area, and the nice part about it is our machines were designed specifically for students and teachers. So to be a part of the IMTS Student Summit is giant for us, and we're looking forward to working with the AMT. Greg Jones in specific is one who's been helping us a lot on that, and we hope you come out and visit our booth. If you haven't got your ticket, or if you haven't yet registered your class, go ahead and register your class, because the tickets, I believe, are free, so you can get into the event. You just have to arrange the transport there and back, and I tell you, it's well worth the time to go out and do it. I forget how many square feet this convention is, but it's every available square inch is nothing but manufacturing, from 3D printers to lasers to CNC machines, lathes, mills, injection molders, anything you can think of in machining, tooling, tool holders. There's like an entire pavilion full of nothing but tooling in there. So it's well worth the experience to go and see. And a couple of the things that they had last year, they had some robots that were like lifting Corvettes in the air and moving them around and stuff like that. It was really cool. So the kids really get an opportunity to see that. But if you can make it out, we hope you come by and see us there. Outside of that, I think that's all I've got for today's Edge update. So click like and subscribe, and come see us at IMTS.